Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful and dangerous Linux commands, the rm command. The rm command is used to delete files and folders from the terminal. Important, once you delete something using rm, it does not go to the recycle bin. It is permanently deleted. So let's jump into the terminal and see how it works. Alright, first I'm going to open my terminal. Now, before deleting anything, I want to know where I am in the system. So I type pwd. This command stands for print working directory. It shows me my current location. That means I'm inside the Ubuntu user's home directory. Next, I want to see what files and folders are here. Let's list out. So I type ls. This lists all the files and directories in the current folder. And here I can see test.mp4helloworld.mp4a folder called throw_me. Now let's delete the file test.mp4. Type rmtest.mp4. Press enter. If there's no message, that means the file was deleted successfully. Let's confirm by typing ls and you can see test.mp4 is gone. Now let's delete another file. rmhelloworld.mp4. Press enter. Again, I'll run ls and now helloworld.mp4 is also deleted. Now we still have a folder called throw_me. If I try this with same method, rm throw_me, it will give an error because rm cannot delete folders by default. To delete a folder, we must use the -r option. The -r stands for recursive, meaning it deletes everything inside the folder too. So I type rm-r throw_me, press enter. Now let's check again, ls, and the folder is gone. Important safety tip. Be very careful with the rm command. Never run commands like rm-rf/. This can delete your entire system. Always double check your current directory, pwd, the files listed, ls, the exact file name, and that's it. Today we learned how to check our location using pwd, how to list files using ls, how to delete files using rm, how to delete folders using rm-r. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment below what Linux command you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.